What is up? I'm so excited you're here. My name is Kristin with Creata Wellness, and I want to send you a free sample of the 30-Day to Clean Eating Challenge. Whether you're looking to lose weight, slim down, reduce bloating, or gain energy, this 30-day challenge will kickstart your weight loss goals and reset your body through detoxing and creating healthier eating habits. This is not a diet. It's a nutritional rebalance and hopefully soon to be lifestyle. It's about choosing clean foods that serve you along with the 30-day program products that hit the reset button on your health and make this challenge such a huge success. And I'm here 100% start to finish to help you reach your health goals. No gym memberships, no workout programs, no box dinners, no counting calories, and definitely not starving yourself. So take advantage of my free sample day offer. Not only will you get the sample day products listed below, you'll also get access to my favorite protein shake recipes, clean snack recipes, clean dinner recipes, tea and energy fizz drink ideas, sample day start guides, tips for success, and a free one-on-one meetup with me. So take the program for a test drive. You're gonna love your free sample day and your free goodies I put together just for you. I'll see you on the other side.